Hi everyone, Jillian from A Jillian Advanced Design here, and
Funny.
So today we are showing off our new Daffodil Duo Die Set. And pardon my nails, I'm in the process of getting a new set, and so some of them are done and some aren't. So anyway,
But mine look really good.
So Mom is gonna show you how the daffodil works, and I'll just be here with some commentary throughout. So let's get to it.
So this die set has two different sizes and two centers, obviously different sizes. I can't think of what these are called.
I have no idea.
Stamens, two different sizes of stamens, your leaf and your stem. Okay, so we are also working with Elizabeth Crafts Design to possibly work with them on a toolkit to be able to retail their toolkit in our booth so you guys can use it, because this is old and this company is no longer in business. This is what this die set creates. Cute little daffodils.
They are so adorable.
And here's a tag. There's a cute tag with the daffodil.
And that black tag just makes it pop.
It does. And that might be a make and take at a show. FYI. Then here's another card with 3 of them in our wood slice. What you want to do is take your mat, which a mouse pad works, and a stylus. This one's larger than these two. So when you cut them, they're identical. So when you're layering them, you want to layer the big ones across from each other so you can fold on those, but actually it's more fun to take your stylus and just kind of rough up this paper a little bit.
Get it all nice and crispy.
Doing it on the back side first, and then pressing in the middle. Okay, so then you can still see which is the larger ones. We'll glue those in a minute. Then the center, this really comes together really cool. The more you just kind of roll it around in there, the more they come together. Now, what you can do is put a little dab of glue on each one of those points, if you would like. So there's your cupped center to go in there. So we're just gonna do that a little bit more. Okay, time to glue. So we have our Just Glue It.
Best glue ever.
Love this glue. And we will have it at the show. We just got a new stock in. So just put your dab of glue there. Kind of hold it down a little bit.
Want to make sure it adheres.
Then put it on the bottom of the cup. And like I said, if you want, you can glue these together, but it's kind of fun just to keep them, and then you can shape them. Then next, you want to take the die cut of the stamens and just kind of, as if you were curling ribbon, just kind of separate them out. Make the bottom so it's kind of round.
Dab of glue.
Dab of glue.
Yabba dabba glue. That would not be.
That was good. Yabba dabba glue.
No.
You just stick it down in there and hold it a little bit, and there you
You
have
have your daffodil. It's so cute. It's so cute.
Okay, so you
I'm
can make different variations of this.
These would be perfect for any kind of card. Spring. They would really be good for wedding cards also with that color scheme.
And with our cross card.
All of these will be available to buy on our website on January 10th. So make sure you hop on over.
Ta-da! And then this is the die set.
And it retails for $27.95.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We've got more videos to show you the whole release, as well as another die.
Yep. See you guys. Bye.